The Law of Assumption HQ. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing tips and tricks to quickly release doubts when using the Law of Assumption. Uncertainty may come up when practicing new ways to think. But learning how to shift your mindset when doubts arise will ensure that you're not losing momentum in your journey. So, in this video, we will be sharing a few tips that will help make your doubts a thing of the past. The first and most important thing to remember is that doubts are common. Whenever we are reprogramming our mind in new ways, apprehension tends to be part of the process. However, it's vital to recognize that doubts are just thoughts, that we do not have to attach to them, and that they do not reflect the reality of the situation. The first way to redirect doubts is to speak about your current challenges in the past tense. Say to yourself, "I remember when I had doubts about manifesting what I want," and insert any doubts that come up into this sentence. This is a powerful technique to reprogram your mind, and it helps you subconsciously understand that your doubts are ancient history. When you start speaking about your challenges in the past tense, you start to reframe your thoughts and shift your focus towards your desired outcome. Another technique is to give yourself manifestation tests with smaller things that don't hold as much weight. For example, try assuming that you'll get a free coffee at some point during the day. Or that you'll find a parking space directly in front of the grocery store. When you have less resistance, like you do with smaller manifestations, you'll get the confirmation that you need, that the law of assumption is always working for you. The more you practice this, the more you'll start to realize what mindset you were in when unfavorable things happened in the past. Were you assuming the worst and simply receiving confirmation when you held that thought pattern? Your dominant thoughts will always become your reality, and what you fear will find you. But, when you begin to understand that positive outcomes are always your reality, you'll receive that confirmation. And if all else fails, fake it until you make it. When you act as if you've already achieved your desired outcome, you're sending a powerful message to your subconscious mind. Your subconscious doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's imagined. So, when you act as if your dreams are your reality, you're training your mind to believe that the positive outcomes you desire are your current reality. Doubts are a natural part of the manifestation process, but they don't have to hold you back. By speaking about your challenges in the past tense, doing small tests to get the confirmation you need, and acting as if your desires are your current reality, you can quickly overcome your doubts and achieve your goals. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And as always, keep manifesting your desires and don't let doubts hold you back. In our next video, we'll be sharing some powerful affirmations to use when practicing the law of assumption.